friends, I'm Rasna. Welcome to Rasna Bakes e-learning. Let's create some fabulous cakes together. Today we are doing a doctor theme cake. We start with the bell and drum of the stethoscope. Roll out black fondant into a long tube of even thickness. Now take some more black fondant and follow the steps as shown. Join it with the drum using water. Next we are going to make the binaural. Take some black fondant and rope it out and curl as shown. Complete it with the grey fondant. Now we make the ear tips. Assemble all the parts. Roll out some red fondant and cut out a heart. Roll more red fondant for the red cross. This is a chocolate ganache cake. Rope out red fondant and swirl it around the cake. Design it with the modeling tool. Put the heart on the cake and place the drums of the stethoscope on it. The red cross takes its place now. Write the birthday message using an edible black gel color. The doctor theme cake is now ready. The heart goes lub dub lub dub lub dub.